In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can install Chrome extensions on your phone. So you have probably noticed that it's not possible to download or use extensions in the Chrome Web Store on your phone. Actually, there is one browser in the Play Store or the App Store that allows you to use extensions from the Google Chrome Store. You want to go to your Play Store or App Store and then type in Kiwi. Then the first one is Kiwi Browser. You want to install this. As you can see, I already downloaded this on my phone. We want to open this up, and now it brings us over to Kiwi. So let me actually go to the home page. Yeah, there we go. And now what we want to do, hit the three dots at the top, right there, at the top right, and then go to extensions right here. From here, you can see I've already installed MetaMask, but now we have these options: from store, from zip, back extension, or we can update. So we want to hit from store right there. Now it opens up the Chrome Web Store, and we can use basically any Chrome extension we want. For example, Todoist, Honey, Google Translate, as I said, MetaMask. So we can just go ahead and install, for example, Honey on this browser. Now we can hit add to Chrome right here. As you can see, it's a bit big, so we have to use it as a desktop basically. Okay, install. And there we go. We have now successfully installed this, and we can use this normally as a normal phone. Now it brings us to Join Honey. Yes. And when we go to extensions again, you can see, there we go. We just installed this and we can use it like a normal extension on a browser. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a very good day.